Red flags in a relationship, a big one is when somebody's words don't match their actions. So if they say that they're going to take you out this Saturday night, and then Saturday rolls around and, they are nowhere to be found. Obviously, that would be a red flag. Certainly making any kinds of insults towards you, that would certainly be a red flag. Or, sudden changes in mood that just seem to come out of nowhere would be another red flag. Or love bombing can actually be a little bit of a red flag. It's hard to necessarily know if someone's love bombing you. Maybe they're just showering you with attention because they really like you. But if they swing from being really loving and doting and affectionate and seeming like they're really crazy about you, and then you say something that they don't particularly like, or you're not available when they wanted you to be, and then they become very temperamental and moody and kind of lash out at you, that would also definitely be a red flag. The other red flags that I might think about are things that don't necessarily have to do with the relationship. So, somebody that maybe is frequently unemployed for long periods of time, or somebody who seems to have a very spotty, record of a lot of brushes with the law, or other areas of their life that just seem very chaotic and unstable, active substance abuse, those kinds of things. And those would be red flags for relationships as well, because if they're not able to manage their own life in a consistent manner, it's going to be that much harder for them to have a stable, consistent relationship with you.